Okay, and then this problem here, you ride your bike to a store. The trip there is 4 miles with no wind speed. You can ride at a speed of 10 miles per hour. The trip there and back takes 1 hour. What's the speed of the wind? So distance one way is 4, the distance the other way is 4. Now the total distance is 8, but the 8's really not relevant to be used here, okay? And then my speed, well, it's 10 miles per hour, so 10 and 10, but the wind speed means I would add x one way and subtract it the other, okay? We've got to find out how much that wind speed is. Okay, now the time, it says it takes 1 hour, but I just put a 1 right there, but that's the total time there and back. So one way, I don't know, because, and they're different times. It's not just half and half because of the wind speed. So I put 4 over 10 plus x, and then 4 over 10 minus x, okay? Equals, and then I underline the 1, okay? And then I need to do my LCD, because there's 3 lines, and I need to extend these lines so that I got some room to work, okay? All right, so I put these in parentheses, okay? And then 4, and then parentheses 10 plus x, and then 4 parentheses 10 minus x, and then the 1 right here. Okay, so really all I have to worry about on the bottom is the 10 plus x and our 10 minus x, okay? So 10 plus x, 1, 0, 0, okay? So in the zeros, I need to put my 10 plus x and 10 plus x. And over here at 10 plus x and 10 plus x. Okay, so 10 minus x would be 0, 1, 0. Okay, so we need a 10 minus x here and a 10 minus x here. And 10 minus x here and a 10 minus x here. Now, the bottoms can now be eliminated, okay, because I got to get my Papa Math up here on my computer. And now I go calculate this side of the equation. Remember, you're not allowed to hit equals. So 4 parentheses 10 minus x, close that parentheses up, plus, okay, 4 parentheses 10 minus x. Okay, so I got negative, wait a second. No, I did that right, okay. So 4 parentheses 10 plus x plus 4 parentheses 10 minus x. I calculate, I got just 80, okay? So this side has 80. And on the other side, I've got 1 parentheses 10 plus x. On the other side, 10 minus x. Okay, I got negative x squared. I'm going to put 1 in front of the x squared. So negative 1x squared plus 100. Okay, all we have to do is isolate the x here. So I have 100 that's being added to it, so I need to subtract that. So negative 20 equals negative 1x squared, and then I'm going to divide by the negative 1, and that's going to be 20. And then I find the square root of 20. Okay, the square root of 20 is 4.47, so 4.5 miles per hour.